Hello everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automobiles and specifically focusing on common mistakes when installing a water pump on a vehicle, especially the Chrysler 300 or any other car in general. Mistake number 1 is forgetting to tighten the bolts in the proper order. This can lead to a loose connection, vibrations, and potentially even failure of the pump. Always consult your owner's manual or a reliable mechanic for the correct order of tightening. Mistake number 2 is not properly torquing the bolts to specification when installing the water pump. This can lead to leaks and overall poor performance from your engine. Make sure you use a torque wrench and follow the manufacturer's recommendations for each bolt. Remember, these are just two potential issues that can arise when installing a water pump on your vehicle. Proper maintenance and care will help ensure a long and healthy life for your engine. If you're unsure about how to perform these tasks or don't feel comfortable, always seek professional help from a qualified mechanic. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like or share button and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and advice. Until next time, safe driving everyone.